Let's study the relationship between TR, MR, and AR when prices are constant. Look at the schedule. The output is increasing from 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, and the prices are constant. We have calculated total revenue by multiplying price with output, and we get the values as 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. The average revenue has been calculated by dividing total revenue with the quantity. So 5 divided by 1 gives us 5. 10 divided by 2, 5. 15 divided by 3, again 5, and so on. Similarly, we have made the column of marginal revenue by using the formula total revenue of nth unit minus total revenue of n minus 1. So for the first unit, total revenue is equal to the marginal revenue. For the second unit, marginal revenue is 5, which means 10 minus 5. For the third unit, total revenue is 15 minus total revenue of the previous unit 10 gives us 5. Similarly, 20 minus 15, 5. So likewise, we can observe that the price column, the AR column, and the MR column have equal and constant values. So when we plot these curves on the graph, you can see that we have a straight line parallel to the x-axis, as with increase in output, average revenue, marginal revenue, and price are not changing. So this is the price line, which we can also say the average revenue curve and also the marginal revenue curve. So in case of constant prices, we get AR and MR curves as straight line parallel to the x-axis. Look at the TR value, students. TR is, for the first unit is 5, increasing to 10, to 15, to 20, to 25, and so on. We can observe that the TR is increasing, and that too at a constant rate. Since MR is constant, therefore TR is increasing at a constant rate, because students, MR is basically the rate of change of TR, and since MR is constant, TR is also increasing at a constant rate. So when we plot the values on the graph, TR curve is drawn as a straight line sloping upwards starting from the origin, because at zero level of output, total revenue is also equal to 0. So since the prices are constant, therefore the total revenue is increasing at a constant rate, and average and marginal revenues are straight lines parallel to the x-axis. This is the relationship between TR, MR, and AR when the prices are constant.